Nanoscience and nanotechnology are revolutionising our world. So, to discover and harness new science at the nanoscale, we've purpose-built the Sydney Nanoscience Hub, part of the Australian Institute for Nanoscale Science and Technology here at the University of Sydney. It's our latest initiative in interdisciplinary research that is dedicated to bringing together the best researchers as well as the best research infrastructure to advance frontier research in nanoscience and nanotechnology. Nanoscience is the study of the structure and function of materials on the nanoscale, which is simply 1/1,000,000th of a metre, or roughly the size of about 10 atoms in a line. Our nanoscience and nanotechnology research will impact on a huge variety of areas, from energy and environment, to health and medicine, to communications, computing and security, and will also extend the frontiers of fundamental knowledge.
Of course, we need outstanding scientists to undertake this research, and 3 academic groups have been selected to initialise the AINST research here in the Sydney Nanoscience Hub.
My group works on quantum physics, which is the laws of nature at the nanoscale. We're interested in uncovering those laws, understanding them, and then harnessing them to build technologies.
My group works in optical physics and nanoscale photonics. We are developing a photonic chip. Photonic chips represent a new paradigm in information processing in the 21st century. Photonic chips are faster, smarter and greener and perform breathtaking processing of light for a range of important applications.
Our research using trapped atomic ions is focused on trying to harness and exploit quantum mechanical phenomena as resources to power a new generation of quantum technologies. We've had extraordinary successes to date, everything from quantum control to quantum metrology. But the buildings in which we work, rather than our imaginations, are what's been limiting the science we can do.
The Sydney Nanoscience Hub is one of the most exciting places to work because it is a place where we have the environmental conditions that we need in order to do the science that we want to do. We want to control matter and light at the nanoscale. That involves single electrons, single atoms, single molecules, single quanta of light, photons of light. To do that, we need laboratory environments that are really just tightly controlled in terms of their environmental specifications, keeping out anything that could affect the experiment.
The facilities we've designed and built over the past 5 years are truly among the most advanced in the world. The controls we've placed on everything from temperature and pressure fluctuations to electromagnetic interference caused by building wiring are really the key enablers that allow us to pursue major advances in our work.
The floor of one of our unique research labs has a concrete slab that is being decoupled from the building so as to enable an incredibly stable environment for high precision measurements. Some of the labs are entirely electromagnetically shielded so that no interference signals enter the labs. Similarly, our bespoke air conditioning enables precise temperature stability and humidity control so that the flow of air is made imperceptible so that it doesn't affect experiments. The mechanical vibrations, acoustics and even lighting have all been designed and built with exacting standards, providing us with an exceptional world-class facility for our research.
The Sydney Nanoscience Hub hosts a number of core research facilities. One such facility is the Research and Prototype Foundry that features over 700 square metres of cleanroom space and has a focus on leading-edge lithography capabilities. This will allow our researchers to be able to write out and build the structures that they imagine with nanoscale precision. The cleanrooms and the microscope suites are located in close proximity to the laboratories of our academic research groups. This makes for an efficient and effective workflow from research all the way through to, ultimately, the production of prototype devices.
You can walk into that clean room and fabricate and design and make, walk out of there into a laboratory all within the same facility. You want to change your design, you can go back in the clean room and you're out in the same day. That's extremely powerful. That means you can go fast in terms of making progress.
All of this adds up to a truly unique research enterprise, one that is clearly the leading research institute in nanoscience in Australia and one that is truly world-class.
Quantum science is an extremely dynamic field and a real strength in Australian research.
By bringing together scientists, engineers and technologists from different disciplines, we're creating a completely new, highly collaborative research culture that will allow us to tackle the most important challenges facing our time.
By bringing together our expertise in physics, chemistry, engineering and the medical sciences, our researchers and our students all working together in this amazing new building, will devise, fabricate, test and deploy amazing new nanoscale science and technology that will change the world. This is Sydney's vision. Welcome to the Sydney Nanoscience Hub.